If you've been wanting to launch digital products but feel totally overwhelmed by which tools you need, what platform to sell on, where to design your products, and how to actually market them so people buy, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down the 9 digital product tools I personally have used at some point in time, have loved, and recommend if you want to hit your first 5K month this year, even if you're starting from scratch. By the end of this video, you know exactly which tools to use for creating, selling, marketing, and scaling your digital products without paying for 20 different subscriptions or wasting months testing random platforms that don't work. I've built multiple digital products, funnels, and automated systems, and these are the tools that I would choose if I had to start over tomorrow and wanted a profitable business from the jump. So let's start with the very first tool that you need. Before you ever open a design platform or start thinking about sales pages, you need to know what you're creating and, more importantly, what your audience actually wants. Now, most people skip this part and end up making a product that nobody asked for, but this step is where AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude become absolute game changers. These tools do the heavy lifting before you spend time designing anything. They help you validate your ideas so you don't waste time on a product that won't sell, research demand by analyzing pain points, trends, and what people are already searching for, generate outlines for your courses, ebooks, templates, or mini workshops, brainstorm names, bonuses, angles, and modules that make your product instantly more valuable. And the best part is that you don't need to be creative, you don't need to be an expert copywriter, you simply need to feed it your skills, your niche, your experience, and it gives you a list of profitable ideas based on what your people are already asking for. So for example, if you're doing UGC like me, you can ask, give me 10 profitable digital product ideas based on my experience in UGC and the problems beginners struggle with. Or analyze the top questions people ask about wellness routines and turn them into 5 product ideas. You can go even deeper and say, create a full course outline, module titles, lesson breakdowns, and key learning outcomes for a beginner-friendly product about gardening. And it will give you a complete blueprint in seconds. So instead of spending weeks trying to brainstorm your first digital product idea, you can get instant clarity and move straight into the creation phase with confidence. So think of these tools like your brainstorming partner who never runs out of ideas and always knows what your audience is searching for. So once you've locked in your product idea, the next step is actually designing it. And this part is way easier than most people think. You don't need to be a designer, you don't need fancy software, and you definitely don't need to overcomplicate this. Now I'm going to give you the exact tools I use myself to create clean professional digital products quickly. So my absolute favorite place to design digital products is Canva, hands down. It truly is the most beginner-friendly designer platform, but it also is powerful enough for more advanced creators. So inside Canva, you can create basically every type of digital product that you can think of, like ebooks, checklists, templates, planners, worksheets, slide decks, social media graphics, and so much more. So whether you're creating original products or selling MRR style products, Canva works beautifully for both. You can duplicate pages, create cohesive branding, drag and drop graphics, and you never start from scratch because they have thousands of templates. You can save your fonts and your brand colors on the paid professional plan, so everything that you create feels cohesive and high quality, even if you don't consider yourself a designer. Now I have a full Canva crash course guide linked in the description below if you want to learn how to use all of Canva's best features and shortcuts. Now if you're building more interactive digital products like dashboards, planners, systems, or workflows, then Notion is really amazing. Notion is really perfect for digital templates because your customers can use them right inside the platform. You can build content calendars, UGC created dashboards, habit trackers, client portals, digital planners, business systems, organization templates, and so much more. I personally use Notion to keep track of my YouTube workflow, my UGC brand deals, and my monthly planning. And I've even built out a UGC dashboard and content template inside Notion, which I've linked below if you want to check that out as well. Now, Notion does have a little bit of a learning curve at the beginning because it's more like the building blocks than templates. But once you learn how to use it, it becomes your entire brain in app form. Everything stays organized, trackable, and scalable. And don't worry, I also have a walkthrough video that you can watch to make that first template super easy, linked below. And finally, if your digital product is a video course, let's talk about the content creation side of that. The biggest mistake I see new creators make is thinking they need to create long, complicated modules. You simply don't. 5 to 10 minutes per lesson is the perfect sweet spot because it keeps your students engaged, reduces overwhelm, and helps more people actually complete the program, which means better testimonials and happier customers. For recording, Loom is really great for screen recordings, tutorials, walkthroughs, explanations, and it's clear, simple, and easy for beginners. Another alternative is Vimeo, which is great for hosting your videos professionally. There's no ads, no distractions, fast load times, and it looks super clean inside a course portal. Now let's talk about editing, because no matter how good your idea is, your content needs to be clear, engaging, and easy to watch when it comes to both course lessons and marketing content, which I'll talk more about in the marketing section later in this video. And if you don't have an editor, editor, don't worry. The tools available right now make editing easier than it's ever been. For short form content like TikToks, Reels, YouTube Shorts, CapCut is hands down my favorite tool. It's beginner friendly, but still powerful enough to create viral level edits. Some features that I love are auto captions that look clean and customizable, effects and transitions that are actually good, easy cut by cut editing, built-in sound effects and music, quick resizing for different platforms, and so much more. And the Pro version is only around $10 a month, and honestly, it pays for itself the moment you start posting more short form content because it saves so much time. It's perfect whether you want clear aesthetic edits or more trendy, fast-paced ones. So if you're interested in trying CapCut out for yourself, I'll leave my link in the description below for you. For long form content, especially YouTube videos like this, I still recommend Final Cut Pro. I've tried pretty much every software from iMovie, CapCut, Premiere, Descript, and while they all have their place, Final Cut is one that consistently delivers. Like smooth editing, fast rendering, stable performance, an easy timeline, great organization, and built-in color and audio tools. Final Cut is just reliable, so if you're posting weekly videos or building a YouTube channel that you want to scale long-term, having an editor that doesn't crash or lag is a lifesaver. You want your editing process to feel fast, smooth, and efficient, not stressful, and Final Cut gives you that. So now you've created your digital product, the next big question is, where do you actually sell it? This is where most creators get stuck because there are so many options. So I'm going to break down everything from the most beginner-friendly tools all the way to the more advanced platforms. Plus my favorite all-in-one option, which also happens to be today's video sponsor. But first, let's just make something really simple for you to deliver your product. If your product is a PDF or a workbook, you just never want to upload the file directly into your sales platform. So the quickest method would be to upload it into Google Drive. You'll copy that link, paste that link into your purchase confirmation email or your confirmation page. Because if you ever want to update your guide, fix a typo, or improve your product, you can just update the file once and the link stays the same. So there's no re-uploading, no broken links, no customer headaches. Same thing with Notion. You just create your Notion template, you'll click share and use that live link. It's super clean and super easy. Now let's get into the platforms. These are perfect if you're brand new, want something simple, and want to get your first product live fast. Flowdesk isn't just for email anymore. Now they have beautiful, simple checkout pages built right in. So you can create minimalist sales pages, simple checkout forms, automated email delivery, and basic funnels. It's clean, easy, and honestly one of the least overwhelming places to sell if you're just starting. So if you're already on Flowdesk for email, this is a no-brainer add-on. Now I'll leave Flowdesk below if you want to explore that for yourself. Now I couldn't not mention Stan, as I love Stan. I have entire videos about it, and it's because it's one of the easiest platforms for beginners as well. With Stan, you can host products, create simple funnels, collect emails, sell PDFs, mini courses, or book calls, and so much more really effectively, and the setup takes minutes, not hours. Plus you can try it for free for 14 days, linked in the description below. Beacons is another great option if you want your link in bio and your storefront in one place. Their features include social media analytics, built-in email marketing, digital product selling, brand deal management, link in bio customization, and so much more. It's polished, optimized, and perfect if you want everything simple and social media friendly. Now, if you're ready for more customization and want stronger sales mechanics, Thrivecart is incredible if you're focused on conversion, meaning maximizing how much money you make per customer. They have powerful checkout pages, upsells, downsells, order bumps, advanced funnel routing, and affiliate management. It is ideal for ebooks, guides, bundles, mini courses, and even full signature courses. So if you're ready to step up your selling game and want more control over your customer journey, Thrivecart is a fantastic pick. So I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to try it out. Now, if you want one platform that can literally run your entire business, your marketing, your courses, your automations, your funnels, then the best all-in-one option is Go High Level, who is a sponsor of this video. And here's what sets Go High Level apart from everything I've mentioned so far. It's a full CRM, so you can store and track all your leads, clients, and customers. It has sales funnels and sales pages where you can build beautifully designed funnels all inside the same dashboard. It has course and membership hosting where you can upload videos, resources, modules, and run full programs inside Go High Level. It also has email and SMS marketing where you can send broadcasts, segment audiences, and build advanced automation workflows. It has Instagram and Facebook DM automation, which is my absolute favorite feature because you can automate freebie delivery, link replies, keyword triggers, follow-ups, nurture sequences, and it all happens automatically inside your DMs even while you sleep. Other things Go High Level can do is social media scheduling, so you can post to all your main platforms right from one dashboard. And Go High Level also has forms, calendars, client pipelines, which are perfect for creators, coaches, agencies, and service-based entrepreneurs. business. So instead of paying for 6 to 10 different tools, Grow High Level replaces almost all of them with one system. It saves money, saves time, and keeps your entire business organized. And because they're sponsoring today's video, you can get an exclusive 30-day free trial at no extra cost, and I've linked that in the description below if you want to test out everything for yourself. Now let's talk payments, because no matter where you host your product, you need a reliable way to get paid. So I personally use Stripe for almost everything. It works with every major selling platform, including Stan, Thrivecart, Go High Level, Flowdesk, Kajabi, Gumroad, basically everything. It's incredibly reliable, easy to set up, and it gives you clear insights on your total sales, your subscriptions, failed payments, payouts, and customer history. Stripe basically becomes your financial dashboard. So if you want one tool that just works, no matter what platform you use, Stripe is the way to go. Now let's get into the most important part of selling digital products, marketing, because you can have the best ebook, the best course, the best templates, but if nobody sees it, it's not going to sell. So marketing is literally everything. Your email list is the most valuable asset in your business because it's the one place that you're fully in control. You're not relying on algorithms, reach, or trends. It's your direct line to the people who already want what you offer. So if you're a beginner or want something simple and aesthetic, Flowdesk is perfect. If you're looking for higher level segmentation, automations, tagging, workflows, and funnel journeys, Go High Level is the way to go. So think of it like this. Social media is your discovery. Email is where most of your sales will actually come from. Email list is your conversion. Now for content, what actually drives people into your world, I personally recommend YouTube, and here is why. YouTube builds trust faster than any other platform. Long form content gives you space to teach and provide value. It's searchable, so your videos act like mini billboards. Videos keep working for you months or even years later. Your audience gets to know your personality, voice, and expertise. Short form content absolutely works, like TikToks, Reels, and Shorts, and you should definitely use it to widen your reach, but long form content is what converts deeper. It's what actually builds a loyal audience that buys from you again and again. So if you can only put major effort into one platform, I would say let it be YouTube. So if I had to start completely from scratch today with the most streamlined, cost-effective, beginner-friendly setup possible, here's the exact tech stack that I would pick. I would do chat for brainstorming, writing ideas and validations, Canva for designing, I would do Loom for screen recording or course creation, CapCut for video editing, Google Drive for storing files and assets, Stripe for my payments, Stan for simple digital product selling, Go High Level for funnels, courses, and CRM, and YouTube for long-form content and audience building. This combination gives you everything you need to create, sell, deliver, and scale your digital product business without the overwhelm. If you have any questions about any of these tools, or if you want a deeper tutorial on any part of the digital product process, just drop a comment below. All the tools and affiliate links mentioned in this video are listed in the description below, including your exclusive 30-day free trial of Go High Level at no extra cost, so you can also check them out for yourself. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and share it with another creator who's also building their digital product business. Thanks so much for watching, and keep building your dream.